Place a Allen wrench onto a drill. Tighten it till you hear it click and flip your drill upside down. Grab a roll of tape, cut that piece off, and slap it directly onto your drill. Grab your Allen wrench and hook it on to your car jack lift as seen. Make sure it's tight, make sure it's not going anywhere. Now put your drill into forward and align it perfectly onto your car frame. Now just let it roll slowly and adjust as you go. Right there, perfect. Now you're just gonna go slowly until your car is appropriately lifted. All right, now we can remove our drill bit. Now whenever you need to change your tires, go ahead and just apply that drill back on. And now you're good to go for any emergencies.